Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speakalong English, an easy English speaking podcast where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex. Today is a special shadowing episode. In this episode, we practice workplace English together using a learning technique called shadowing. You will hear me speaking sentences about daily English conversations at work. Listen to each sentence, then say it out loud. That is shadowing. It helps you speak English confidently, naturally, and fluently. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with a friend. Every share helps another English learner. Thank you so much. Now, before we start practicing, let me tell you something important. If you haven't watched the main podcast episode on this topic yet, I really recommend you watch that first. In that episode, Mia and I explain all the vocabulary and concepts in detail. You'll find the link in the description below and a card above. But if you've already watched it, perfect. Then you're ready to practice speaking. That's exactly what we're going to do together today. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple but powerful learning method. You listen to a sentence in English, then you repeat it out loud. Same words, same rhythm, same tone. Do it again and again. The more you practice, the more natural your English becomes. It trains your mouth and your brain at the same time. Let's start with morning greetings and small talk at work. This is your daily English conversation practice. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I'm great, thanks. It's a busy day. I'm great, thanks. It's a busy day. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I did. I rested a lot. How about you? Yes, I did. I rested a lot. How about you? I had a great weekend. I went to the park. I had a great weekend. I went to the park. That sounds nice. Ready for the week? That sounds nice. Ready for the week? Almost. I need my coffee first. Almost. I need my coffee first. Me too. See you at the meeting. Ha! Me too. See you at the meeting. Hi. How was your morning so far? Hi. How was your morning so far? It was good. I finished my report. It was good. I finished my report. Wow, nice work. That was fast. Wow, nice work. That was fast. Thanks. I started early today. Thanks. I started early today. Are you going to the team lunch today? Are you going to the team lunch today? Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. I love our team lunches. I love our team lunches. Small talk is very important in office English. It builds friendly relationships with your colleagues. Now let's continue to asking for help and clarification. These are key work phrases in English. Repeat each one clearly and with confidence. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Of course. What do you need? I don't understand this document. Can you explain it? I don't understand this document. Can you explain it? Sure, no problem. Let me take a look. Sure, no problem. Let me take a look. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Anytime. Happy to help. Anytime. Happy to help.
Could you show me how to do this, please?
Could you show me how to do this, please? Yes, of course. Watch me and then try. Yes, of course. Watch me and then try. That makes sense now. Thank you. That makes sense now. Thank you. You're welcome. Ask me anytime. You're welcome. Ask me anytime. Sorry, could you say that again? Sorry, could you say that again? What does that word mean? What does that word mean? It means the deadline is next Friday. It means the deadline is next Friday. Oh, I see. Thank you for explaining that. Oh, I see. Thank you for explaining that. Could you write that down for me, please? Could you write that down for me, please? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. I'm not sure I understand. Can you give an example? I'm not sure I understand. Can you give an example? Yes. For example, we need to finish by Monday. Yes. For example, we need to finish by Monday. Perfect. That's very clear now. Thank you. Perfect. That's very clear now. Thank you. Don't be shy about asking for clarification. It shows you are professional and want to understand correctly. This is real English at work. Now, let's practice English for talking in meetings. These phrases will help you speak English confidently in any team meeting. These sentences can be used for starting and joining a meeting. Good morning, everyone. Shall we get started? Good morning, everyone. Shall we get started? Yes, let's begin. I'll share my screen now. Yes, let's begin. I'll share my screen now. Today we have 3 things to discuss. Today we have 3 things to discuss. First, let's talk about the project timeline. First, let's talk about the project timeline. We're on track. Everything looks good so far. We're on track. Everything looks good so far. Great. Let's move to the next point. Great. Let's move to the next point. Can everyone see my screen okay? Can everyone see my screen okay? Yes, we can see it. Thank you. Yes, we can see it. Thank you. Sorry, I'm a little late. Did I miss anything? Sorry, I'm a little late. Did I miss anything? No, we just started. Please, take a seat. No, we just started. Please, take a seat. Now let's practice English for sharing opinion and asking questions. I think this is a good plan. I think this is a good plan. I agree. Let's move forward with it. I agree. Let's move forward with it. Actually, I have one question about this. Actually, I have one question about this. Of course. Please go ahead. Of course. Please go ahead. What is the deadline for this task? What is the deadline for this task? The deadline is next Monday. Is that okay? The deadline is next Monday. Is that okay? Yes, that works for me. Thank you. Yes, that works for me. Thank you. I have a different idea. Can I share it? I have a different idea. Can I share it? Absolutely. We'd love to hear it. Absolutely. We'd love to hear it. Thank you, everyone. That's all from me. Thank you, everyone. That's all from me. You don't need perfect English to speak in a meeting. Short, clear sentences are best. Use these professional English phrases and you will sound great. Now let's practice English for emails and messages at work. Shadow these sentences for written and spoken English at work. Say them out loud. I am writing to follow up on our meeting. I am writing to follow up on our meeting. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will send you the report by end of day. I will send you the report by end of day. Thank you for your quick reply. I appreciate it. Thank you for your quick reply. I appreciate it. Could you please review this document for me? Could you please review this document for me? I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just a quick reminder, the meeting is tomorrow. Just a quick reminder, the meeting is tomorrow. I wanted to check in about the project status. I wanted to check in about the project status. Everything is going well. No problems so far. Everything is going well. No problems so far. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I look forward to working with you on this. I look forward to working with you on this. Please find the attached file. Let me know your thoughts. Please find the attached file. Let me know your thoughts. These English phrases for work are simple and very professional. Use them in your next email or message. Now let's practice English for job interviews. Practice these sentences to speak English confidently in your next job interview and introducing yourself. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm very excited. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm very excited. My name is Alex. I am a marketing assistant. My name is Alex. I am a marketing assistant. I have 2 years of experience in this field. I have 2 years of experience in this field. I am a hard worker. I love working in a team. I am a hard worker. I love working in a team. I am very organized, and I pay attention to detail. I am very organized, and I pay attention to detail. I am excited to learn and grow in this company. I am excited to learn and grow in this company. I heard about this job online, and I was very interested. I heard about this job online and I was very interested. My biggest strength is that I never give up. My biggest strength is that I never give up. I am always looking for ways to improve my skills. I am always looking for ways to improve my skills. In my last job, I worked with a team of 5 people. In my last job, I worked with a team of 5 people. I enjoy solving problems and helping my colleagues. I enjoy solving problems and helping my colleagues. I am ready to learn new things every day at work. I am ready to learn new things every day at work. Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. English for a job is all about confidence. Practice these phrases many times. The more you shadow, the more ready you will feel. Good morning, Alex. You're here early today. Good morning, Alex. You're here early today. Good morning, Mia. Yes, I have a busy day ahead. Good morning, Mia. Yes, I have a busy day ahead. Me too. Did you see the email from our manager? Me too. Did you see the email from our manager? Yes, we have a team meeting at 10 o'clock. Yes, we have a team meeting at 10 o'clock. Right, I need to prepare a few things first. Right, I need to prepare a few things first. Good idea. I'll go get my coffee and then start. Good idea. I'll go get my coffee and then start. Ha! Coffee first. Always a good plan. Coffee first. Always a good plan. Good morning, team. Shall we get started? Good morning, team. Shall we get started? Good morning. Yes, I'm ready. Can I share my update first? Good morning. Yes, I'm ready. Can I share my update first? Of course. Please go ahead, Alex. Of course. Please, go ahead, Alex. Thank you. I finished the project report yesterday. Thank you. I finished the project report yesterday. That's wonderful. Great work. Any questions for Alex? That's wonderful. Great work. Any questions for Alex? I'm happy to answer any questions. Just ask. I'm happy to answer any questions. Just ask. Perfect. Let's move to the next point on the agenda. Perfect. Let's move to the next point on the agenda. Mia, can I ask you a quick question? Mia, can I ask you a quick question? Sure. What do you need? Sure. What do you need? Could you check this email before I send it? Could you check this email before I send it? Of course. Give me 5 minutes. Of course. Give me 5 minutes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. No problem at all. That's what colleagues are for. No problem at all. That's what colleagues are for. Okay, it's 5 o'clock. Have a good evening, Alex. Okay, it's 5 o'clock. Have a good evening, Alex. You too, Mia. It was a great day. See you tomorrow. You too, Mia. It was a great day. See you tomorrow. Yes. Good night, everyone. Yes. Good night, everyone. Well done. That is a full day of workplace English in one conversation. Shadow this dialogue every day, and your English at work will improve fast. Amazing work today, everyone. You practiced over 100 sentences. That's a lot of daily English conversation practice. You practiced greetings, meetings, emails, and even job interview English. Every sentence you shadowed today is real English at work. Remember, small, consistent steps make a big difference. Mistakes are your friends. They help you grow. Be patient with yourself. You can do this. Keep practicing your English speaking every day. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone.